All of your body problems today, and right now Dr. Orden is in our reverse spa. And tell us what you're doing back there, Dr. Orden.
We're in the reverse spa. What do I do in the reverse spa? Well, we reverse aging. And to help me show something is Barbara, a delightful guest from Carlsbad, California, right?
Right.
And what was your primary concern, Barbara?
Age spots.
Age spots, those darn spots, brown spots, sort of coffee colored you get in your face.
That's
and
right. And your hands, your arms.
Sometimes those hands give it away. And actually we came across a new product, Neova DNA Repair Cream, and we gave this to Barbara. She's been pretty good about it, I think, for the last 2 weeks. She's been applying it to her arms and her hands, correct, to work on those brown spots that she doesn't like. So after 2 weeks, what do you think?
Oh, I'm really impressed with it.
Really?
Yes, my hands have lightened up incredibly. And then I had one spot that just almost disappeared.
Well, we want to get to that in 1 second. I mean, this is a product I've never heard of, and what they're claiming here is that they're repairing damaged DNA in the cells of your skin, being done through specific enzymes that rebuild that DNA. I haven't looked at all the science on it, but if the results have worked for her, why not? So this is the cream, and what you've been doing is just you've been applying a little bit on there every day, right, and for 2 weeks. And you have one spot in particular that you think you got a really nice result in just 2 weeks, correct?
Yes.
So we want to show that to everybody. I mean, in general, you think these brown spots on your hand have lightened, right?
Yes, they've all lightened.
But specifically right here, you can see that one that she had originally right adjacent to the vein there, and now, after 2 weeks, that's faded pretty nicely. So I think you're probably going to start putting this on all of your face, right?
Oh, yes.
And your hands, because,
yes, for sure.
because it is supposed to also help for fine lines and also help with the texture of the skin and actually help reduce the size of pores. So good stuff. You may want to give it a try.
Is there any downside to it?
I read the ingredients here, and they seem to be all natural ingredients. I don't see anything that's exfoliating or really peeling the skin. I'm not seeing really any depigmentation type products in this. So it's really a repair cream, and it's worked for her.
So trying to understand, I know, Dr. Orden, you didn't do 10 hours of research on this, but is it antioxidants in the cream that are helping to repair?
Well, that's what aging is all about. It's those free radicals that are causing oxidation within cells. That's what causes aging. So if we want to repair that damage, you would want to use antioxidants that help repair DNA, that messenger part of those cells, and this is supposedly what it's doing.